Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more non-phone daily work from home job leads for you. I know a lot of you don't want to do the customer service on the phone all day thing, so I have 7 different jobs in today's video that are all no talking, non-phone based. There are multiple job leads in this video that are just simply answering emails or responding to live chats, and some of those pay you up to $45 an hour just to sit there and answer emails. So we're going to dive all into it. Of course, if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and as always, if you have something specific that you're looking for, I never make any promises, but please feel free to leave it down in the comments below. I do read those comments and keep that in mind when I'm out there searching for job leads to share. I try to gear the job leads that I'm sharing towards things I know you're actually searching for. But without wasting any more time, we are gonna dive all in. First up, we have the company Framework. Now, Framework is hiring a community support manager. This is gonna be remote for the United States only. I do believe all of these are for the United States only. But they are looking for somebody to manage their online communities through things like their Discord server, their social media feeds, their subreddit, things like that. Just fostering and providing support to their wonderful community of customers and developers that are using their products. This means you're going to moderate and manage all of those Framework communities, encouraging positive discussion and debate in those online communities. You're going to participate in the social feeds and pages across Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit to be the voice for the company and the brand. You'll contribute your knowledge base, proactively capturing any new issues and helping to identify solutions for those community members. You'll monitor trends for potential technical or quality issues that you then escalate up to the internal engineer team. Now, they're looking for somebody who has 2 years experience managing or providing top quality customer support, specifically for some kind of social media online feeds. Somebody who has 1 year of software support, specifically like Microsoft Windows or Linux systems, someone who is familiar with PCs, software, and hardware, someone who has a positive approach to providing feedback, and someone who has that love for writing and great technical and creative English communication skills, but no college degree is needed. Now, pay for this position is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but is anywhere from $60,000 a year all the way up to $120,000 a year. And unfortunately, I could not find a Glassdoor page for this position. Moving on along though, next up we have the company Descript. Now, Descript is an AI platform. You can sign up. I think they have a different pricing tiers where you can sign up and use their AI platform to do things like ChatGPT does. They only have 12 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, they're a new and upcoming AI company. Do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 12 reviews, though, they do have a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support representative, but this is going to be non-phone customer support since they are an online, like, artificial intelligence platform. But they're basically looking for somebody to deliver that personalized and proactive support to the end users of their platform and their enterprise clients over various communication channels that include email, live chat, and occasionally that video conferencing. You're going to capture and record accurate and detailed client information using their CRM tools. So you're going to have to enter data into their system for all of the members that you talk to and collect information from. You'll just troubleshoot any technical issues that you can, escalating any up that you cannot troubleshoot yourself. You'll provide regular updates to customers on the status of their request, just helping verifying and maintaining any support articles as needed. Now, they are hiring in multiple time zones, so your schedules will be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time or 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. If you're outside of those time zones, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. They're looking for somebody who can work some weekends, who has 1 to 2 years of recent experience providing customer support for a software product, someone who has hands-on experience using multimedia editing software like Final Cut Pro, Premiere, Audition, all of those like Adobe ERP products, someone who's familiar with Zendesk or CRM platforms, and somebody who has a remote work setup for their home where you can work and take meetings as needed. But no college degree is needed for this one either, and the pay is anywhere from $62,000 a year all the way up to $95,000 a year. Now, $95,000 a year for sending these emails would be about $45 an hour. If you don't want to get involved in a new and upcoming AI company though, next up we have US Able Life. They have 64 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a premium billing specialist to work remote. Now, the base salary for this position is anywhere from $35,000 a year all the way up to $44,000 a year. Of course, that's going to be dependent on location and experience, but they're looking for somebody just to reconcile and process all of their premium billings and balance their reports daily. You'll prepare system-generated individual premium billings for mailing. You'll maintain and research premium suspense as well as premium refunds and correspondence. Then you're going to prepare any necessary correspondence or letters for the individual products that need to go out to the members. You'll also be doing a lot of reporting, analyzing, processing, and accurately reconciling and posting group payments into the system in a timely manner. So when these insurance premiums get paid by the members, you'll make sure those payments get posted in the system, just completing any payment audits in Microsoft Excel as needed. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. If you have 1 to 3 years of some kind of general accounting or payroll or accounts payable experience, they just require a high school diploma if you have the experience. They will take a bachelor degree though over any experience. Other than that, they're looking for somebody who has great research skills, who can type and key in data, somebody who has great communication skills and the ability to multitask and handle multiple deadlines. If you're really good at research though, this next one might be for you. The company is BallotPedia. They have 53 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an election data researcher. And so it's just like it sounds. You're going to research reliable election information sources and develop automated election date research protocols. You're going to monitor and process the results of these automated and manual research to generate and maintain BallotPedia's election calendar. You'll cross-reference any election notices for local administrative dates with rules and existing election date data to help determine candidate data research timelines according to the local election calendar. You're going to maintain and improve their database of sources and research, process, improve their local election calendar over time, just conducting data review and data cleanup activities as needed. So you're going to be learning and growing their knowledge of state and local election administrative practices as you go. They're looking for somebody who has a passion for elections. So you're one of these political people. You like election and voter information, politics, all of those things. You have excellent research skills. You have great attention to detail. You can be accurate and concise in your data that you summarize and collect and all of those things. So you've got to have those great critical thinking skills. But of course, no college degree is needed. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $40,000 a year all the way up to $50,000 a year. And if you're a healthcare person like me, you're looking to work in the healthcare industry, I didn't leave you out in this video. Next up, we have the Cigna Group. They have over 6,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a sales operations associate analyst. So basically, they're looking for somebody to do a broad range of complex sales support administrative functions for their work queues. So you're going to do operations administrative support of high volume triage renewal updates from the client management system. You'll analyze scrubbing inventory, case assignments, and make sure there are no duplicate requests. You'll accept and track work requests from the sales office, identifying any risk in the timeline. You'll audit the sales operation emails from the email email inbox and triage information for the appropriate analyst. So you're going to be triaging these emails for client renewals and any questions for implementation and routing them to the appropriate analyst. So you're going to scrub all data received through the email assignments and put them in the client assignment folder. So you're kind of reading through these emails and trying to figure out what is needed from the email, and then you're going to assign that to an analyst to complete that task. So you are going to do some spreadsheet validation and auditing for the customer experience and support tickets as well. But again, this is all going to be monitoring that email box. Now, they do prefer a bachelor or associate's degree or at least 1 year of related experience. So they'll take experience over a degree, but you also have to have strong attention to detail, knowledge of Microsoft Office systems like Excel, Word, Outlook, and strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Now, Cigna is known to pay very well, and this position is no different. Pays anywhere from $24 an hour all the way up to $36 an hour. Moving right along, we have another answering email position that is paying up to $39 an hour to answer emails. That is Lyra Health. They have 316 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a release of information coordinator. So they're looking for somebody to become a part of their records team, supporting the internal stakeholders and fulfilling their mission to bring mental and emotional health solutions to large employers across the country. So, of course, with HIPAA laws and everything, releasing medical information or information at all that can have identifying medical information in it is very restricted. So they're looking for somebody to help monitor, assign, and respond to incoming email correspondence, replying to questions and status requests from clients and internal stakeholders, initiating intake and logging any third-party requests for client records or medical records, serving as a go-between for the records team and the internal stakeholders, handling any escalations as needed. You'll provide non-technical support to these clients through the email regarding the release of information process. Now, again, they prefer some college, but they don't require any kind of college degree, just 3 years of customer service experience. If you have prior information experience or medical records release experience, that's a plus. It's not required. You do have to be able to work with software tools like Salesforce, CRM tools, Jira, Slack, great communication skills, and they prefer somebody who's familiar with the healthcare industry, like medical terminology, ICD-10 codes, things like that. But pay for this position is anywhere from $26 an hour all the way up to $39.90 an hour. Next up, we have Juristat. Now, I've shared this company on this channel before. They only have 9 reviews with a 4.1 out of 5 star rating. Again, please do your own research on any companies. But they are still hiring a data entry data analyst. They are basically looking for somebody to collect and analyze digital documents and related data, reviewing data and documents for errors, entering, correcting, formatting all of the data and from the source documents into their system, just making sure that all the errors are taken care of. They are paying $30,000 to $35,000 a year for this position. Now, one thing to note about them, and maybe this is why they're still hiring, they're only hiring in certain states. You have to live in Texas, Colorado, Missouri, Virginia, Maryland, or Illinois. But if you live in one of those states and you're interested in data entry, no college degree is needed for this. Just a high attention to detail, strong work ethic, somebody who knows how to use computer systems like Microsoft Word or the Google equivalent, Google Docs, someone who is great at correcting spelling, grammar, and punctuation. And of course, you've got to be adaptable to new processes and procedures. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, as always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And I'll be back really soon with more work from Home Job Leads just for you.